chill. Your heart pounds. Faster, faster, and then... Our love of fear is immortal, so long as it's only a movie. But now, at Universal Studios Hollywood theme park, Mummy director Stephen Sommers is leading a team of the industry's finest artists and engineers to create a revolutionary new ride, combining state-of-the-art ride technology with all the shock tactics in Hollywood's arsenal to bring the horror of the movies to life.
I always loved roller coasters, and I always loved haunted houses, and I thought, oh, wouldn't it be fun to combine a roller coaster with a haunted house? And so that's what you have here. It's like the next step on the adventure.
The result is the new Revenge of the Mummy, the first ride specifically designed to unleash our deepest fears.
Fear is a universal instinct, warning against threats in the vicious struggle for survival. Despite thousands of years of civilization, we still are ruled by the same genetically programmed fears as our caveman ancestors, generated here in primordial portions of the brain called the amygdala. These primal fears are so deep-rooted, so powerful, they are quite literally beyond our control. Lygophobia, fear of dark places. Tachophobia, fear of speed. Entomophobia, fear of insects. And of course, the ultimate fear, thanatophobia, fear of death.
We've taken all of the psychological fear buttons that we think people most react to, and we just keep pushing those buttons and we just don't let up.
To achieve this new level of fear, Universal created a whole new kind of ride system based on futuristic bullet train technology.
After traveling through the mummy's tomb, you suddenly catapult into utter darkness. You can't tell what's up, what's down. You go forwards, you go backwards. We're throwing everything we can possibly think at our guests to create the ride of their life.
Bringing the mummy to life posed an equally daunting challenge, resulting in the most lifelike special effects ever created for a theme park ride.
When you're in there, you should feel like you're about to get eaten by scarabs, attacked by mummies. That's why it's all psychological.
The result is the ultimate experiment in fear.
So we really want to get people's adrenaline pumping, and we want to scare the heck out of them.
The new Revenge of the Mummy, the ride. The only thing you have to fear is fear itself.